Hi Grace,
Hi, hi, Mommy.
what are you making?
I'm making slime
Oh, slime.
with oobleck.
Okay. Show me how.
You just put flat and section like that. That's yummy. We can eat it.
We can eat that?
No,
Why?
because it's not really making slime. What?
Just for playing.
Hmm?
Okay. What's next?
First, we need the other water. We need coloring.
Okay, you can put
Red.
whatever you like. Whoa,
So cool.
so cool.
Wow!
Oh, that's so beautiful color. What's that color, Grace?
Dark red.
Oh.
Like a lipstick.
Ah.
We need one more color.
Or you want another plate to mixing the another color?
No thanks. That's crazy.
Getting darker and darker color. Huh?
Because it's making dark.
Dark.
You can touch it. It makes section like.
Okay. What's next?
Oh! Oh! How did you see what's happening? Oh. I need next. We need to touch your hand.
Okay, you can use your hands.
Oh,
Oh, how do you feel?
it's so weird.
Feels so weird.
Ah.
Whoa, like a broad.
Like a strawberry. It's like blood.
Okay, I can help you to add the colors.
Two colors.
Yeah.
We're mixing more.
You mix